Hey everyone, I'm Myron. Hannah and I have been travelling in the van for over a year now. Our van doesn't have a shower in it, and for the most part that's been alright. We've been able to find showers, but some days there's just none around, and at the end of the day you just really want a hot shower. So we decided to put together this cheap shower unit that we can pull out when we need to and then put it away afterwards. It doesn't take up much room, and you don't need to do any reconstruction to your van. If you didn't put a shower in your van, or you're looking to build a van and they're not quite sure if you need a shower or not, then this is a great option for you. And the best part is, it's super cheap. To make the shower, we're going to need a portable shower, a dog bath, shower curtains and hooks, and a hula hoop. To install the shower, first put the dog bath on the ground. It has rigid sides but are in sections so it can conform to different shapes but still stands up straight. Open the hula hoop up and feed it through the curtain hooks. If you do need to use 2 shower curtains like we did, cross the shower curtains over so then no water can get out. Now it's time to hang the hula hoop up on the ceiling. Ours fits perfectly between the bookshelf and the cabinets on the other side, and we also use a suction mount on the cabinet to keep it up in place. Hopefully yours will fit between your cabinets, but if not you could install some temporary hooks or brackets to hold the hula hoop up in place. Put the bottom of the shower curtain inside the bath, that way any water that runs down the curtain will run into the bath. You definitely don't want your camper van getting wet. And now the shower's ready to go. We fill up some pots of water, heat them up on the oven, and then pour them into the PortaShower so that way we get a nice hot shower. We fill the shower up with 4 to 5 litres of water, and that's more than enough. This little PortaShower is a great device. You just pump up the top to pressurize it up, you put about 5 litres of water in it, and then at the nozzle you just push the button and nice warm pressured water comes out. And now that the shower's put away, you'd never know that we had a shower in the van, except that I'm feeling nice and fresh. We don't regret not putting a shower into our van. We are only a medium wheelbase, so we are on like the small side of things, but having the portable shower is a real game changer. Thank you so much for watching. Hannah and I travel around Europe and live in our van full time. We make 3 to 4 videos a week, so subscribe to see more.
Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe.